In today's video, we will take an effervescent dive into how this fizzy concoction can work its magic on everything from skincare to kidney function. Watch now and raise a glass of baking soda water to better health. Baking soda, aka sodium bicarbonate, has been a household staple for generations. Its versatility goes beyond baking and serves as a cleaning agent and an ingredient in beauty products. Beyond its household uses, baking soda has gained attention for its potential health benefits when consumed with water. Baking soda water is a concoction made by dissolving baking soda in water. It is a drink with numerous health benefits when used appropriately. To make baking soda water, mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and stir until it dissolves. Now, let's dive into the health benefits of this concoction. 1. Balances pH. One of the most touted benefits of baking soda water is its ability to regulate the body's pH levels. Our bodies function optimally at a slightly alkaline pH, and imbalances can lead to various health issues. Baking soda water helps to neutralize excessive acidity in the body, creating a more balanced internal environment for improved overall health. Maintaining proper pH levels can also support the body's natural detoxification processes. When our system becomes too acidic, it can hinder the body's ability to eliminate toxins effectively. Drinking baking soda water helps restore the delicate acid-alkaline balance, promoting efficient detoxification and reducing the burden on vital organs such as the liver and kidneys. Balancing pH through this simple remedy may have far-reaching effects on overall well-being and vitality. 2. Prevents and treat acid reflux. Acid reflux is a common digestive disorder that can be uncomfortable and disruptive to daily life. However, the good news is that we have effective ways to treat this condition. Baking soda water is one such remedy that alleviates acid reflux symptoms. Its alkaline properties help neutralize stomach acid and relieve heartburn. In addition to its soothing effects, baking soda water can prevent acid reflux when consumed before meals. Balancing acidity levels in the stomach reduces the chances of excess acid flowing back into the esophagus. This simple yet powerful solution offers a natural alternative for those seeking a holistic approach to managing this condition. 3. Eases an ulcer. Many people recognize baking soda water as a remedy for relieving ulcers and associated symptoms. The alkaline nature of baking soda can help neutralize stomach acidity, reducing the irritation of ulcers and promoting healing. When consumed in moderation, this simple concoction offers a natural remedy for individuals experiencing discomfort from ulcers. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory properties of baking soda may contribute to reducing inflammation in the stomach lining, providing additional relief for ulcer patients. 4. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation is a bodily response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to serious health issues. Baking soda water has emerged as a natural remedy to reduce inflammation due to its alkaline nature, which restores the body's pH balance. Baking soda water can alleviate arthritis symptoms, relieving those suffering from chronic discomfort. Moreover, research shows that baking soda water may benefit athletes and those with active lifestyles by reducing exercise-induced inflammation. Many sports drinks contain high levels of acidity that can aggravate inflammation post-workout, but incorporating baking soda water into your routine may offer a more natural and effective solution. This drink opens up new possibilities for individuals looking to optimize recovery and enhance their physical performance sustainably. 5. Treats and prevents cancer. Baking soda water is a potential treatment and preventive measure for cancer, backed by promising scientific research. The alkaline nature of baking soda can create an inhospitable environment for cancer cells to thrive, inhibiting their growth and spread. Moreover, studies indicate baking soda may enhance the effectiveness of certain chemotherapy drugs while minimizing their toxic side effects on healthy cells. This dual function of baking soda water in targeting cancer cells while protecting healthy tissues underscores its potential as a valuable therapy in cancer treatment. Furthermore, the alkalizing properties of baking soda water bolster the body's natural defense mechanisms against cancer development. Creating an alkaline environment in the body neutralizes acidic conditions associated with tumor growth. This finding suggests that maintaining a balanced pH level through regular consumption of baking soda water is a proactive measure against the initiation and progression of various cancers. While more research is needed to comprehend the extent of these benefits, These findings underscore the significance of baking soda water in combating cancer. 6. Whitens teeth. Achieving a bright, radiant smile is a desire many people share. And with the help of baking soda water, this goal becomes within reach. Baking soda has natural whitening properties that gently remove surface stains and discoloration from the teeth. When used in water as a mouth rinse or with toothpaste, baking soda lifts yellowing and brightens the enamel for a noticeably whiter smile. Besides, the alkaline nature of baking soda water creates an environment that discourages the growth of bacteria responsible for plaque formation and tooth decay. Incorporate this simple yet powerful dental aid into your oral hygiene routine for visibly whiter teeth and a healthier mouth. 7. Boosts energy. Baking soda, when mixed with water, can help restore your body's pH balance and combat fatigue. It can stimulate a burst of energy that lasts throughout the day by increasing alkalinity in the body. This natural remedy revitalizes your well-being and provides a sustainable energy source without relying on caffeine or artificial stimulants. In addition to its energizing effects, baking soda water may enhance physical performance during exercise. The ability of baking soda to buffer lactic acid buildup in muscles allows for improved endurance and reduced muscle fatigue. Adding a glass of baking soda water into your pre-workout routine could give you the boost you need to push through those last few reps and achieve better athletic results. Whether you want to tackle a busy workday or engage in physical activity, leveraging the power of baking soda water can help you conquer challenges with an invigorated sense of vitality. 8. Enhances kidney functions. The kidneys are vital organs that filter waste and toxins from the blood, regulate fluid balance, and control blood pressure. Research suggests that baking soda water may help support kidney function by reducing acid levels in the body. Neutralizing excess acid may alleviate kidney stress, potentially improving overall kidney health. Studies also show that baking soda water can prevent kidney stones. The alkalizing properties of baking soda water reduce the formation of crystals in the urine, which can contribute to the development of kidney stones. Moreover, maintaining a balanced pH level in the body through regular consumption of baking soda water can lessen the risk of chronic kidney disease. As an accessible and natural remedy, incorporating baking soda water into your daily routine may be beneficial for supporting optimal kidney functions. 9. Prevents digestive disorder. Baking soda water offers a natural remedy for preventing indigestion, gas, and bloating, relieving discomfort after a heavy meal or acidic foods. When mixed with water and consumed, baking soda helps neutralize stomach acid and aids digestion by breaking down food more efficiently. Its alkalizing properties can also help reduce gas buildup in the digestive tract, curbing bloating and discomfort. In addition, this concoction promotes the release of digestive enzymes in the stomach, supporting healthy digestion while minimizing the risk of indigestion. By creating a more balanced internal environment, baking soda water can provide gentle relief from common digestive issues without relying on harsh medications or chemicals. Incorporating this natural solution into your daily routine may offer significant benefits for maintaining comfortable digestion and overall well-being. 10. Prevents and treats urinary tract infection. Many people hail baking soda water for its potential to prevent and treat urinary tract infections, UTIs. This humble kitchen ingredient can help rebalance the pH levels in the urinary tract, creating an environment less hospitable to harmful bacteria. Drinking baking soda water may reduce the risk of developing UTIs while alleviating symptoms and discomfort associated with existing infections. Moreover, research suggests that baking soda water can enhance the effectiveness of certain antibiotics for treating UTIs. The alkaline properties of baking soda improve the absorption and distribution of these medications within the urinary tract, promoting a faster recovery from infection. This promising synergy between baking soda water and antibiotics presents an innovative approach to managing UTIs and underscores the multifaceted benefits of this simple solution. 11. Rejuvenates the skin. The skin is a remarkable organ that requires proper care and maintenance to stay healthy and vibrant. Baking soda water offers an effective way to nourish the skin by helping to balance its pH levels, reduce inflammation, and exfoliate dead skin cells. This simple yet powerful solution can improve the overall appearance and texture of the skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and revitalized. The alkaline nature of baking soda water can prevent acne breakouts by balancing oil production and reducing bacteria on the skin's surface. Its soothing properties also make it an excellent remedy for sunburn or insect bites, relieving discomfort and promoting healing. Embracing the simplicity of incorporating baking soda water into your skincare routine can lead to noticeable improvements in skin health, making it a valuable addition to anyone's beauty regime. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 21 insane health benefits of drinking baking soda water. Thanks for watching and bye for now.